Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find a home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. Here we've got the static wallpapers and also two live wallpapers. And so all we have to do to check the preview is to simply tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied on the full screen. It differs a little bit between the animated options and not animated options, the static ones. Let me show it to you. For example, this one. You can see that here we've got this option apply. We've got also this option and the eye icon, thanks to which we can check how it will look like with the icons applied. We can also blur this wallpaper. Simply tap on this drop icon, and as you can see, just by using the switcher you can make it sharp or blur everything. It's totally up to you whether you want to use this option or not. You can also change the position of the photo, so you can frame it just like you want to. Let me go back. I will set this animated option. Just tap on it, and as I said, you can check the preview whether you like it. Simply tap on apply, and now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. If you will choose the static option, then you will be able to choose where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.